What has been said regarding the genesis of this case, what has been going on from the moment the accused was remanded before this court until today. But before me now is an indictment by the DPP, and whether I have jurisdiction to entertain this application. As I said, I told you that I was on duty this week. I'm very busy. I don't intend to go and sit down, go through this file and read what has been submitted. But from what I gather from you, I've already concluded that I'd have loved to say a lot, but I'm not going to. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say to the prosecution. This is typically what we deal with, and it takes me back to a number of cases. I want to mention stuff that is not before me now, but it's really not pleasant to see on cases where you see people not really serious about proceeding. It's sad when you're a judicial officer and you have an accused person before you whose rights you have to take into consideration. The law is very clear. If we cannot proceed with an individual within a reasonable time, we have to admit them on bail. If that fails, we have the Speedy Courts Trial Act that says after 60 days there are no exceptional circumstances that warrant his detention, then he should be released. And until now, I haven't had any exceptional reasons. I haven't had any one of the exceptional reasons why he should remain in custody. But now there's this indictment. Because there's an indictment that says he has to appear before the High Court. As soon as I was served, this comes to the attention of the clerk of court. They are right in saying that a week now, we can't do anything about it. So as of now, the only thing I can do is just to withdraw charges, not to withdraw, but to strike them off our roll, because now he's been indicted to the High Court. So that's as far as I can go. But it's what you are doing is not right. That's the least I can say. I could say a lot, but now you have everybody here. I wish you could go to chambers and then I'd tell you a lot of what I think about this case. But as it is, charges have been struck off from the roll in respect of you, and what remains, as they say, on remand is the treason charge. That's what remains. And in respect of the treason charge, you'd come to court on the 25th of November. The rest are withdrawn.
Put that in.